What's up YouTube family, thanks for coming back to my channel for another box braid tutorial. If you like more of these videos, please help me get this one to 1,000 likes and don't forget to subscribe to join the fam. In today's video, I'll be showing you a super quick and easy way to install the rubber band box braid method, but with a twist. Also, a big shout out to my daughter for parting and installing the rubber bands into my hair. Okay, now let's get into this video. The first thing we're going to do is divide the hair into two sections, one about the size of your finger, which can be between 1/2 of an inch, and the other 1 inch to be exact, or a little less. This is completely up to you, but one should be bigger than the other one. Here I already have my hair sectioned and parted again with the rubber bands in my hair. The second step you're going to want to take is you're going to place the crochet hook under your hair over top of where the rubber band is placed, not in the middle. This is to hide the rubber band so it doesn't show through at the root. I'm going to slow it down one more time. Then you're going to slide the smallest piece of synthetic hair through your hair. Grab some edge control or pomade to distribute onto your hair and the synthetic hair so they both become one part of the braid, which is essentially the third leg. As you're braiding your hair, make sure you're tucking your natural hair underneath the synthetic hair so that it doesn't peek through. The whole point of this is to have a protective style, and it's not a protective style if your natural hair isn't hidden under the braid. Take your time and don't rush. Also apply more pomade as needed. So I wanted to show you guys this again one more time so that the rubber band isn't noticeable as you're doing it. With the way that I install the two pieces, it stops any show from the rubber band. That way the foundation of the box braids still looks nice. Okay, so then the fifth step, once you finish the top of your hair, after you're done installing all of the braids, at the end of the braids, you're going to add some more pomade and then rub it through your fingertips and just apply it at the end of your braid. This is going to make sure that your braids are nice and clean and there's no flyaways in your hair. It's a little bit harder to trim the braid when it's your natural, when you're the one trimming it. So I usually just do this method so that I can skip the whole trimming the flyaway pieces. Then the last and final step, which is number 6, you are now going to dip the hair in some hot water. This is going to help seal off the ends of the hair, which is going to bind the synthetic hair together. After you dip it in very hot water, use your mousse of choice, mine is alcohol free, and distribute that evenly, as well as adding some hair growth oil to your scalp. Because after all, this is a protective style and we're trying to protect our hair and grow it out. And that's it, ladies. This took me only about 2 hours in total. So I want to see your pictures. Send them over to me on Instagram or email them to me. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.